Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Reviews, and we are checking out the Yeti 6-in-1 grill. You guys, this is an amazing piece of equipment. It does basically everything, and I'm gonna talk to you about why I really love it. Okay, so 6-in-1, you guys, it is a panini press, waffle maker, griddle, and you can use the grill and griddle as like a half or full, so like when it's open, or press it closed. I don't even know, it's crazy. It does everything. This covers you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I love the fact that this is a really sleek, compact, I love how it's designed. You'll tell it's got low profile on the bottom and it's kind of flat on top, so it's easy to store in your cabinets. Plus it looks great, so even if you keep it out, that's cool too, because you're gonna be using it that often that you may want to just keep it out on the counter. But it takes the place of so many other appliances that you have, clogging up your cabinets and everything. If you have a smaller kitchen, this is a great solution. You're gonna get rid of that waffle iron and your panini press and your George Foreman, and not that those are bad things, but this is one tool that can take the place of so many others. So I love it for that reason. Okay, two other reasons why I really like this. One, 4 waffles at the same time. You guys, that's epic. That's amazing. Most of the time you are making 1 waffle at a time, maybe 2. This you can make 4, so you can feed a crowd quickly. Everyone wants waffles quickly, so instead of waiting for them, you can do them all at the same time, and then that way you're all eating at the same time. I know that that's always a bummer when you are cooking, for your family and friends, and you're the waffle maker. You end up being the last that gets to eat, or maybe everyone's kind of eating at different times and it messes up the flow of dinner, or breakfast, whenever you have waffles. So it's just way easier to have them all done at the same time, and being able to do 4 at once is huge. I love how this is designed. This is great too because I've been using it for paninis, and a panini press is something that I would probably never buy and be able to put in my small kitchen just to have a panini press. But this, since it's 6-in-1, the Yeti allows me to kind of have that panini press too, which is really fun. Been loving it. I also really love this for meal prep, you guys. If you are doing, I like to make my grilled chicken and veggies for lunch and do that kind of all in a big batch. This is so quick to do it. It's so quick to get it done. And I love that, unlike I used to grill chicken just on the stovetop, and you have to grill it forever, and then grill it forever. This, you grill on the top and bottom at the same time. So not only does it cook your chicken a lot faster, it cooks it better because it's exactly the same amount of heat on both sides. You don't have to worry about flipping it, burning one side, not getting it done enough. It cooks perfectly evenly, and it cooks in double the amount of time. So if you are meal prepping and you're trying to get in a quick healthy lunch, or just make a bunch of food really fast so you can prepare for the week, this is an amazing tool for that. You guys, check it out, the Yeti 6-in-1 grill. You are gonna be so happy you did.